Hello everybody, my name is Rasmus. I am Head of Development here at FASTSEWN, and today I have the pleasure of showing you a little of our new machine. Right now it's doing a little bit of a demo where it's running around, so I'll just quickly stop that and move it over so we can take a look at the sewing heads. So let's go over and take a look. So right here you see our carriage. This is where we house both the sewing head and the laser. Below it we have the lower carriage. This is where we house the bobbin and the exhaust for the laser. Right here on the sides we haven't put on all the belts so you can see a little bit on the inside of the machine. So right here we have our vacuum modules. So this is where the actual vacuum happens and what's holding down the material while you're working. So as you can see, it will always follow and just be right focused right around where you're working. The entire carriage itself is running on a linear motor. On the sewing head, everything is electronically controlled. That means the presser foot is controlled by a motor, the actual sewing shaft is controlled by a servo motor, and even the tension is controlled by a servo. That means there's no manual adjustment anywhere on the sewing head. It's all programmable in the computer. If you go to the front of the machine here, we have a light curtain along the sides. That means it's very easy to go safely into the machine, put in a new thread on the sewing head, for example. But it's also very easy to restart again because as soon as you exit, all you have to do is press restart. On the front of the machine while you're working, you have the option for pressing E-stop, of course, if anything happens. Or if you see something and you are far away from the computer, all you have to do is just press here and you'll pause the machine so you can quickly see if something is up. If you see something, you can easily just pause and go back and restart over here. So now I'll just jog the machine a little more around here. What I would like you to notice on this machine is how we are able to move this entire gantry, including this opening we have in the belts over here. We can move that around across the machine without disturbing the fabric at all. On the back of the entire machine, we have a Caron off-rolling unit. That means we're able to pull in material nice and flat on the machine. So I hope this was a nice little view. If you have any further questions, you can reach out to my colleagues at the booth. Thank you for listening.